Builderall review. Is it still worth it? Does it stand out when compared to ClickFunnels and Kartra? At the end of this review, you will get to know. And also, if you are a beginner, stay tuned because this video will help you a lot to decide which marketing tool service provider to go with. Alright, but before I begin, if this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so let's get into the video. Alright, so I'll show you some of the apps and tools. But this is just something I want to show you first. Alright, and we'll get into details later on. I'm gonna be comparing this to ClickFunnels and Kartra, but first let's work on the prices. Alright, so right now Builderall has only two prices. So first you have the premium plan and the funnel club. One thing I want you to pay attention to is the features. Okay, so this is called funnel club, by the way. So when you check the entry level, it's $69.90 a month, but you have 15 domains, 10 gigabyte disk space, and by the way, this, if you want more space, you can upgrade it, and I believe it's $10 or something for 10 gigs. I might be wrong, but something around that range, and it's not that expensive. Unlimited subscribers, trust me, you cannot get this anywhere. And when you compare to ClickFunnels is $97 a month. You have access to 20 funnels. With Builderall, there's no limit. You have pages. You can create only up to 100 pages. Builderall, there's no limit. You cannot run email marketing here. You have to connect it to a third-party email marketing program. With Builderall, you have it connected together. You have Builderall mailing bot, so you don't have to connect to a third party. Alright, and you can connect 3 domains, but with Builderall you can connect 15. Whatever they have here, Builderall has way more than that, and everything is unlimited. So I don't even want to look at this side because I'm comparing it to the entry level. Now let's compare to Kartra. So with Kartra, this is the entry level and it's $99 a month. You have up to 2,500 leads. Remember, with Builderall, it's unlimited. You can connect 1 domain. With Builderall, it's 15 domains. You can send 15,000 emails. And let's see, Builderall, how many emails you can send. See, even here you have unlimited subdomains. Okay, unlimited membership area, like I told you. Builderall, you don't have to even worry about all these things. Professional email marketing platform, you don't even have any cap or anything on it because everything is unlimited. Okay, they have 500 gigabyte bandwidth and you can host 100 pages, which is not enough. Builderall is unlimited and host 50 videos. With Builderall, you can video hosting, see here. All right, I don't want to go through everything. Okay, so let's go back. All right, so this is the mailing boss. Okay, let me show you mailing boss. All right, this is how you create your email marketing automations and stuff like that. I have a tutorial on how to set it up for the first time and I'll drop it below. Close it for now. So right now you can integrate your WordPress website. With Builderall, you can host all your WordPress sites. And this hosting thing is becoming expensive because I have WordPress website as well. And now when you have to renew after a year, it's like $18 to $22 a month, which is expensive. So in case I want more tools, all I have to do is just click on this and come up here. So skip this. So when you see the check mark, that means you have it on your dashboard already. Okay, let's go back. And I'll show you some of the already made niche templates that I was talking about. So click here, lead capture funnels. All right, so let's check this one. This is lead magnet, so you can use this to capture emails. Okay, if you are into the weight loss niche, all you got to do is just tweak this title a little bit, or if you want, you can just leave everything the way it is and just connect it to your email list and autoresponder, everything, and boom, you are good to go. Let's go back. So if you want it, you just have to download, and when you download, you have a whole lot. All right, so this is just the landing page, but when it's gonna come with the book itself. And what you have to do in the book, you just, let's say you have an offer from ClickBank, you just have to go inside the book, embed your affiliate links inside these books, and you're gonna use it as like an ebook to get emails. So if you are interested in Builderall, I'll put the link in the description below. Please click on it. That's my affiliate link, and use it. Also, I have a bonus for you. For those of you starting online business and you don't have the money, boom, this is the bonus package I have for you. It gives you, let me show you. With this plan, you can connect 1 domain and 5 subdomains. Okay, now let's compare this. Let's compare this to Kartra. So we're gonna compare this to Kartra. Okay, you have 1 domain, 5 subdomains, 5 GB disk space, and 5,000 email subscribers. Check it out. Now that is $29. Okay, and when you compare it to $99, you have 2,500, and with the Builderall 29 you have 5,000. You have 1 domain. Yes, 1 domain. But does it have unlimited subdomains? Let's check it out. There's no subdomain connection. And remember, you have 5. Okay, so what you can do with this, as you can tell, you can do a whole lot. So the advice is, with this, you just have to brand yourself or use a name that will not restrict you from selling other products. Okay, so it's always good to use your name or something that you know you'll stick with. And look, you have a whole lot just with the $29. Okay, and even SS certificate, which comes with all the plans, you have it here too. And this is it, the padlock. If you don't have this, Google will not promote your site. I'll drop it in the description box. If you're a beginner and you're living in a country that you think the other plans are too much for you, this is what you have to go with. Okay, all right, so enough said. Now the decision is in your hands. If you like Builderall, click the link in the description below. I'll put all 3 there, and you have to decide which one is good. If you want to go with ClickFunnels or Kartra, that's up to you as well. Okay, if you ask me, Builderall is the best. I'll be coming up with videos soon. It has been a while because I took a little bit off, almost a month. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much. If you find value in this, please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day.